Hey, it's Uncle Neely from the pregame show, checking in at the goal post. And you know what the goal is? The goal is to attend games. You know the best way to attend games? Man, go to Game Time, download that app, create you an account, enter in the code BUFFS for $20 off. It's going to get you into all the Colorado football games. You know tickets are hard to come by under Coach Prime. No surprises, man, no hidden fees. Get the view from your seat from the app. Man, go to Game Time app. Download it. Create your account, man. Get in these games. Come see the CU Buffs play. We out. Victory!
Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, sir. It is Tuesday, Arizona State week. Let's go. Let's go. Game plan Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Every day you wake up, you get better, you get worse. The good Lord done woke us up, so now it's on us to get better, right? We ain't done pouring concrete, right? So we gonna pour concrete, we gonna get on their ass this week, right? Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's dominate on three. 1, 2, 3. Dominate. Let's roll. Let's roll.
What we get? Get better at it. Shit ain't just gonna happen, Victory. There's a lot of football players out there, Victory. You talking about going to the league? That's the hardest shit in the world to do. That's the hardest shit in the world to do.
Go!
Good, Ord. Good. Work him.
Go! Yeah, here we go. Circle chase.
Circle chase.
Circle chase.
Wait till you catch the ball good. I like it.
Way.
Good, DB. I like it. I like it. Hey, bring more. You got more. You got more. Put
Head
your head
down.
on.
Head down. Go! I gotta hear it. I gotta hear it. Inside out. Hey, up.
Yeah. Yeah. That's because I'm better. New York.
Catch it tough. Catch it first.
Go!
All the way in. Catch it.
Inside out. Inside out. Inside out. Inside out.
Good. Now run your feet, Tristan. Hey. Under control.
Good job, Rick.
Good, here we go. Good angle to the ball.
Go.
Wait till you catch it and get it out, Taj.
Add on.
Go,
Go
go,
again.
go.
Don't pull him,
Good,
40.
good. Next guy.
Go again.
Hey, DB, do it again. All right, y'all. Yeah. Hey, I want DB doing it again. All right. You're right.
Go!
Under control. You physical already. Yes, sir, DB. Now run your feet. Hey, get your hat on the other side. Don't break down.
There it is. Good. Very good. Very good. There you go. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Got 2 left here.
Ah!
10.
Get back.
Wait. Get your nose over your toes. Beat the drum. Get your nose over your toes. Beat the drum. My arms move, my feet move. My arms move, my feet move. Tight, yes.
You know what I'm saying? They run a bad corner around.
They do. You seen the corner out on tape?
Niggas, but you know they gonna throw to that back though.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
know what I'm saying? How you want to do it today?
Oh, shit.
Go.
Tackle.
Right, go to 3.
He pulled.
Round.
Tackling out, eh?
Did a little loop stuff.
Okay. Well, still a good play. Oh, beautiful. I love it. Oh, Lord. He got the front, too.
I'm bored after the
Yeah, go there.
Go down! Go down!
Hey,
Let's go!
he already over there.
I think it's just troublesome.
Billy, go! You on it.
Talk that
Let's
shit,
get it, man.
boy.
Hey, let's attack today, man. Win today, man. This all we got right now. This moment right here.
Hey, oh, are you ready? Yeah. Oh, are you ready? Yeah. D, are you ready? Yeah. D, are you ready? Yeah. Oh, are you ready? Yeah. Come on, begin. 3, 2, 1.
Coming back, same thing. Ball it right on. Ball it right on. High turn. Let's go. Work. Hey, go. Ball it right on. Hey, go. Hey, switch it up. Ball left arm. Left arm. Set. Go. Let's work. Get that ball out. Ball to left arm. Here we go. Set. Go. High tight. Work. Come back, same thing. Left arm. Go. Kicking it with Bishop. Your series in the pregame show.
Kicking it with Bishop. I like it, Mata. All right, now talk to me. What we got going here, man? What's this?
Oh, just don't think. Kick.
That's the only coaching tip that I give. Don't think about it. Just go.
Had the distance.
Keep my head down. My head was up. Let me give you a scenario. 40 to 40, USC. Oh, it's last weekend.
3 seconds on the clock.
3 seconds on the clock.
Say that.
You make it, we win. Actually, no, hold on. 41-40. Them. You make it, we
We
win.
win.
You miss, we lose. Ah! I'm a loser!
5 seconds.
And it all comes down to this. The score 41-40. Bishop makes championship. It's up. It has the distance.
And it's good! Mama! And it's good!
That's game. That's game right there. Head down.
All right. So now, post-game interview. Hey, Bishop, you just won the game. Field goal for your team, national championship. Talk to us. Walk us through it.
Damn, man. I mean, it's a long time coming, but I've been doing this. Honestly, I've been playing kicker. Been doing all this just throughout the whole year. It's been a challenge. But when it came down to the real challenge, man,
Shout out to Coach Mata.
put my trust in Mata. You know what I'm saying? We don't miss. We miss too, but we don't miss when it counts.
No, they don't know that. Neil's got to cut it up.
Nah, let them know I miss too, but we don't miss when it counts. Straight like that.
Straight like
You
that.
either have it or you don't.
What is the pineapple chunk in there? That's for you to eat after.
Do y'all blend it up or you crush it with your hand? Which one?
They chew it up.
Because I'm saying it's like a smoothie, but it ain't smooth. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be a smoothie. Smooth. I'm getting strawberries in my mouth and shit. Frozen. Got sensitive teeth. Can't do that, man.
That's the thing, you ain't got no teeth. Chill.
Sometimes when it hit my nose, it get a little cold.
Just try to get the strawberry right through the space.
He puts a straw between the teeth.
Yeah. If it's small enough, I'll put it into my braces.
Mac and chicken thighs, ribeye steaks, fried catfish, baked beans, baked mac, cornbread from scratch, fried cabbage, fried okra, tossed salad, watermelon.
Everything we need to beat Arizona.
We gotta beat Arizona. We are gonna beat Arizona, I believe.